data basically refers to the large amount of data which is not usually handled by the traditional tools. In today's digital era, data is generated every second through sensors, through devices, through our mobile applications, also through the payment methods that we use. Big data is usually explained by the 5 V's, which are its characteristics. The first being volume, which refers to the large amount of data which is generated every second. The second being the velocity. It refers to the speed at which the data is generated and processed accordingly. The third is the variety of data, which refers to text, images, and audios and videos. The fourth being the veracity, means the resourcefulness and the useful insights that we take from the data. And the fourth is the value, which means the usefulness as well, but by extracting the meaningful data from it. Big data is important for organizations, for business intelligence. It helps in data analytics to make sure the trends are being followed, to make out the patterns from the customer behaviors, also used for recommendation systems. For example, the companies like Amazon recommend various products by analyzing the customer behavior. Also, companies like Netflix recommend the shows that we usually watch and the genres that we mostly like to explore. In the perspective of India, big data plays a very crucial role in the development and governance. Initiatives like Digital India help in generating massive amount of data for public interest, also in healthcare, and also in the initiatives of smart city as well. Now, this big data is usually managed and used in very special tools or the special softwares which are Hadoop, Apache, Spark, and also cloud computing. These cloud computing platforms basically help to store the data and also process it. And there are various services provided as well, like platform as a service, where we can use our data and we can store our data only on the platform and use it only till our needs. However, there are also certain challenges like data breaches, privacy threats, which have to be controlled. In conclusion, I would like to say that data is the new oil of our world, of the developing nations, of the developing worlds, and to use it wisely and to use it in our best use, it is in our hands. So